What's the best light bulb security camera in 2025? That's exactly what we're finding out in today's video, and I've got two of the most popular models on Amazon right here, the Symynelec and the Jennov. So hopefully at the end of this video we will know which one of these two light bulb cameras are worth buying. So why buy a light bulb camera over a traditional security camera? I think what people really like with these cameras is that they are super easy to install, perfect if you're renting and can't drill holes, or if you just prefer a more discreet security solution compared to normal security cameras. All you need to do is unscrew your old light bulb, replace it with this one and connect it to an app and you're good to go. You don't need any special tools or technical knowledge. Compare that to normal security cameras where drilling holes, running cables and maybe even hiring someone to install it for you. The drawbacks are they can only be placed where you get a light socket, and if someone turns off the light switch your camera goes dark as well. The recordings are stored on micro SD cards or optional if you want to pay for a cloud subscription. Okay, so let's do a quick comparison of the features of these two light bulb cameras. The Symynelec uses a 4 megapixel sensor that records in 2560 by 1440 at 20 frames per second, and the Jennov uses a 5 megapixel sensor that records in 2880 by 1620 at 15 frames per second. They both support 2.4 and 5 GHz Wi-Fi. The Symynelec can pan 355 degrees and tilt 90 degrees, while the Jennov can pan 355 degrees and tilt 90 degrees. They both support auto tracking, however it didn't work very well on either camera, so nothing I would recommend using. Both cameras support preset points, so you can move the camera quickly to a new position, and that worked fine on both cameras. They can both record in full color at night using built-in spotlights as well as infrared lights. Both light bulb cameras supports two-way audio, so you can talk and listen through the cameras as well as use an alarm siren. The Symynelec supports up to 256 GB micro SD card and the Jennov 128 GB. Okay, let's have a look at some recordings. Here's a side-by-side comparison at daytime, and this is recorded with the highest image quality of each camera. And at 20 meters we can't really see much of the plate number as well as my face. And at 15 meters we can see some improvements, but still too blurry to be able to read the plate number. At 10 meters we can read the plate number quite easy, but still hard to identify a face. Here I move the camera using preset points with the Symynelec. And using preset points with a Jennov. Here we got nighttime recording side by side using infrared. And a comparison at night using the spotlights for full color night vision. So after testing and comparing these two light bulb cameras side by side, my opinion is that they are very similar in both features and image quality. The Jennov has a slight edge with its 90-degree tilt and 5 megapixel sensor, but honestly you probably won't notice much difference between them. What it really comes down to is price. Since the Jennov is $4 cheaper when I record this video, I would recommend get the Jennov. However, if the prices are similar when you're watching this, either one will do the job just fine. Alright, thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I see you in the next one.